Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: account, event invite, and an updated Roblox client. Once done, switch to a stable network and close background apps to reduce lag. Next, click the hub link or join from the event page. Accept any permission prompts and wait for the hub environment to load. Watch the loading screen for progress indicators. If animations stop, give it 1 minute. This quick sequence gets you from idle to inside the hub reliably, so you can begin exploring immediately. Once inside, focus on controls and the HUD. Use WASD and mouse to move and scan the space, then open the map and quest tracker to locate objectives. Make sure to interact with visible icons. Shops, NPC, and vendor panels often reveal rewards or tasks. If you see teleport pads or doors, approach and press the action key to trigger transitions. They can unlock hidden zones. While you explore, monitor quest progress and inventory so you don't miss timed activities or limited offers during the event. To finish, complete remaining quests, gather rewards from vendors or chests, and deliver any turn and items at the designated hub kiosks. Make sure to check timers and inventory capacity so you don't lose limited drops. Once done, visit the Achievements panel to confirm progress. If something goes wrong, such as stuck geometry or missing icons, relog to the game, test your connection, and use the Respawn or Teleport menu to reposition. Doing this typically resolves sync issues, so you can rejoin the hub smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.